Hello viewers, welcome to the next video in the series. So this video is about developing a parametric tower in an elliptical form and then transforming the facade using Interpolate component. So let's get on to it. So the first step is to get a range of ellipses, which can be done using range component when connected to the elliptical component. So the centers to these can be achieved using numbers to point components. The second step is to rotate these curves and remap the angles to a certain range, and then after rotating these curves we have a set of flows, so which can be achieved by giving boundary surfaces to each curve of the rotated component. The third step is to work on the facade. So we have to divide the floor plates and then connect them. So we are shifting the lift so as to achieve the intersecting pipes serving as a facade for the design. The last step is to offset the first set of curves and which can act as fins, and then to pipe the second set of curves as per the design consideration. So this is how the design from this script turns out to be. Hope you liked the video. Please subscribe the video and like it also. Helps a lot, and I appreciate all the acknowledgements. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye.